Here we go. We have a question: remove duplicates in array. I don't know why GFG is being lazy these days and just giving easy problems. So anyways, we have a problem given an array consisting of positive integers. We need to remove all duplicates number. So in this, if we remove duplicates number, we have 2 and 3. The result will be this. So question is pretty straightforward. So let's directly jump into the explanation. We have this. We have to solve this question in constant space. So we have to use constant space. And if you look at the constraint, the values range is significantly small. So we can use this and build a array. The maximum number we can have is 100. So we will make this size array size is this, so we can access 100 position. This is a boolean array and initially all values are false. So first we have 1. Here this value is false, so we will first convert into true and save this one. Then we have 5. So 5 is also false, we will change it to true and save 5. Then we have 2. 2 is also here 2. So 2 is also false, we have to convert to true, then save it. Then 3. 3 is also false, convert into 2, save it. Then 2. 2 is already saved, 2 value is already true, so we don't need this. Then we have 4. So 4 is false, we need to convert into true. Then we have 5. 5 is already taken. So we have this. So this is these all values are distinct and we need to store it into a array list, and that's how we have to solve this question. So let's code this. First we have array list, then we have listed array of size 101. Then we need to traverse in an array. If the index is false, if the value is false, then we need to store it. Else we need to convert into true. So then we have to just return the array list. Let's give it a try and let's talk about time and space complexity. You already know what's the time and space complexity, but still here the time complexity is order of n and space complexity is constant. But we have one another solution according to editorial. If you look at the editorial, we have so many solutions, but this particular solution uh, say, says that this focuses on small range values where the time complexity is order of n and it is just using product and prime number. So implementation is not given, but the link is given here. So when you check out this link, you will move to this. So here the title, the description is totally different. So this does not make any sense. And if you look at the implementation itself, here is the implementation and here is the explanation. So this will not work for our POTD. This question is different and that question is different. So I hope now you got it. Thank you all for watching.